Looking really, really good. Look at different zone colors. You can change the bottom. That would be zone 2. If I want that to be blue, for example, I can make it blue. Zone 2. Zone 1 will be this area. If I want to change that to a different color, put that color right there. I can do that as well. Keep that that way. That's zone 1 there. Or I can go ahead and do unify and make them all the same color. See? Let's go colorful and see what happens. Look at that. Overall, I'm impressed. Very, very impressed. I think one of the settings you can do is for the welcome. When you turn on the car, you got the door surround. Look at that. Single color. Let's make it red. Whoop. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. See it chase the different colors? Watch it chase. Yeah, like that. There we go. And then it's gonna hit back there. And then it's gonna hit back there. And it chases all the way around. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. Your infinity there. Let's go ahead there. Got it in the doors here.
Tampa Bay is vibing with us.
Cappy Salgado tuning in from Tampa, Florida. Gotta catch them vibes.
1015 The Vibe.
Go on and do your thing, Ricky. I'm right here. Hey.
The all new 1015 The Vibe.